Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Thomas. Today we're back here, Bakamus, with another episode of the Capsters universe. Part 2 of episode 1. So, if you remember last time, our Beanie guy had to deal with some bees. So now we're about to see where else we go. You know, hunting down the ones messing up the farm. So, let's hop in, see how things go. Be sure to like, subscribe for more. Hope you enjoy. Here we go. Yep, subtitles on, headset on. Let's go. Hey, little recap. Nice. Hey, Charcoal.
We are tracking him down, Mr. Farmer. We'll be taking care of him now.
All right.
Good luck, fellas. And they're off. Go get him, Charcoal.
You suck.
Screw you. Speed. What? You alright,
Whoa.
Charcoal?
Look at that.
A treehouse.
Treehouse wasn't there before. Get out here, you evil saboteur.
Yeah. Nothing.
Charcoal.
Guess we're burning it down. Oh. Morning. Hello.
Get out.
He's like, hi.
Piss off, you bush.
You're the bush.
I see now. It is crystallisc clear. The leaves in the tractor, the trail, the house, and the sniper itself. This is the perpetrator.
Genius.
Genius.
And also because the farmer told you so.
Get your ass out here or I'll be forced to count to the number after 2.
3.
1, 2. The number after 2.
Oh. Nice catch, but ouch.
This guy is clearly out for blood. The dart had poison in it. Are you hurt?
You good? Okay.
Dexter.
Any advice?
If you plan on putting him down, avoid all of their ailment-inducing weapons. Watch your surroundings and stay away from trees.
We have to stop him before he hurts anyone else. And their crops. Charcoal!
Charcoal. Burn it
Let's
down.
heat his ass down.
Don't you mean cool him down? Shh. Okie dokie.
Not.
Holy
Well, that's one way to get him out.
Your
Hello.
reign of selfishness ends here. Learn to live off of the land with everyone else.
Piker.
What? Tractor noises at dawn all the time?
Piker.
Couldn't get any sleep?
Wuss.
Revenge for lack of sleep? You could have just asked him nicely to be considerate. Besides, you destroyed his innocent crops.
Nah.
Oh, he... Uh-oh. Oh, crap. So much for the trees.
Charcoal, prepare yourself.
Heads
We've
up.
transitioned into an action sequence.
Just a minute. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, boy. Oh,
Dodgy.
oh, not this time. A piss. Ow! Ooh, right in the head. Yeesh.
Let's have a go, you mug.
Come on. Ooh, right in the face. Ooh.
Come on. Go at it.
Damn. This is
This
for the
will
one.
age well.
We'll see. Up. Medic. They had to stop him somehow. Ooh. Just move.
I'm gunning for you.
Oh, easy. Careful.
I'm a bloody god, mate.
Nope. I can see her move up. Ooh. Ho, ho, ho. Kaboom. Oh, hey, speaking of capsters.
Yeah, good explosion.
Yeah.
Hi, guys. You just enjoy the show. Done now?
Heads up.
Nope. Just back at ya. Ew. Pissed. Yep.
Yeah.
Just nope. Ow.
Why do I get the feeling I've been here before? Very strange indeed.
Dude,
It's
capster.
only gonna get worse, mate.
Saying? Just nah. Don't.
You big head wankers!
Oh.
Yeah.
You just... Okay. Because even he had to pee.
Feel
You good?
Yeah. Bush.
Alright. Push. God damn it.
Wait a second. No! You're in mineral buffs. Charcoal!
Charcoal,
You're
let's do
in
it.
trouble now, buddy. He's much stronger than before.
Right. Elemental.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Fire is still his weakness.
Yeah, how'd you forget?
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Oh, you're late. It's okay. Oh. Uh-oh. Come here, boy. Oh, did he hide in the bush? Oh, that works. Oh. Oh.
Piss.
Yeah, a little late. Yo.
Come on! Yes! That was...
Don't eat him. Wait, hold it. Charcoal.
Ah.
No.
Uh-oh. Warned you. Oh. Huh.
How in the greenest hell did my ultimate not work on this damn gecko?
Oh, you can speak?
What?
Bush.
Of course not. Explosions
Like, oh.
are fire, and fire is not good against fire. It just makes it stronger.
He means that the dry cognac has the flash fire ability.
God damn it.
Appreciate it.
Thanks, Dex. Oh. Okay, double choke.
Let's do this again.
Here we go.
Oh!
Charcoal, I just realized something amazing.
What?
We are in a forest.
Oh.
We all know that in Tuga, nature is way cooler. Forests regenerate. So that means you don't have to hold back on your fire attacks.
Now!
Wait, no.
Yes.
No.
Now!
Yes.
Now!
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Hungry?
Yeah, damn it.
God damn it.
There you go!
Not again.
Charcoal, do not make me...
Oh.
God damn it.
Okay. It's actually poisoned? It's also explosive?
Okay, is that even allowed? Yeah, it's just like, oh. You good?
I gotta help him train his cardio.
You think?
Charcoal! Buddy, don't stop now! Go after him!
You talk to him.
Listen to me! I got a plan! Be ready to jump on my mark! Jump!
Oh, that works. Great.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Oops. You just lost him in a tree. Good job.
Bagger!
Come here, cupcake!
Piss off!
No,
Yeah,
no,
yeah,
no,
Just,
yeah,
no!
yeah.
just ring around the
cow.
rock.
Yeah.
You're a cow.
You sneaky
Rat. Ow. Ow.
Come here,
Just
pumpkin!
looked too cartoony.
Yes,
Nah.
yes!
Okay.
I will eat your fruit basket! I will eat them up!
Everything's gone bloody crazy!
Oh, wait. Oh. Ooh. Right on him. Is he done? Is
That was a great plan you came up with, buddy. You did an awesome job.
he even done?
I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Geez, you really knocked him in hot.
You knocked him out
According
cold?
to class, this should make it an easy catch.
Let's see. Wow, that's gonna take a while.
Oh, yeah.
That's true. Okay.
Come on. Let's go.
3. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Hey! Very nice. Oh, thanks.
We officially have the second member of our team. You know, Charcoal, why didn't you just use your wings again?
Chicken. Ew. What?
We need to work on that.
Yeah, probably for the best.
What should we call our second member? Sticks? He doesn't seem very, sticky. Yeah, like Woody. Not the other thing.
Not the other thing.
What about Coleus?
Coleus?
Coleus. 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 Yeah.
Coleus.
Or you can just call him Cole for short.
Oh, that works.
Don't worry, I'll explain it on the way.
Well, we got him.
Come on.
Yum.
Yum.
You see, Charcoal, the name Coleus is a genus of annual or perennial herbs or shrubs found in the
think you even hear.
Afro-Eurasia tropics and subtropics, which are... And they're
Oh,
also
hey, there's the bee.
cultivated
There's that
as
bee again.
ornamental plants, particularly Coleus scutellarioids,
Oh.
which is popular
Just
as
see
a
'em.
garden plant for its brightly colored...
Beanie Boy, look at what you've done. Now the animator is gonna have to render all this fire.
That wasn't me. Or just...
Wait a moment. I know that voice.
What the... What the... I guess the legendary of the region? Whoa.
And there you go, no more fires. Courtesy of Tuga.
That was too
Mr. Farmer,
Sim, sou eu.
what on earth was that?
Yeah, what was that?
You knew around these parts.
Yeah, I was born a few days ago.
Yeah, a few days, man. Want to explain?
You'll get used to it.
Again,
Well, thanks to
what?
you fellas, I won't have anything bother me for 5 days and nights.
5?
Save the killer mascots, of course.
Killer what?
A horror thriller. Don't worry about it.
You sure? Ow.
Nice work.
Okay.
Here's a little
Thanks.
extra for your kindness.
Ooh, hey, some more. Nice.
And this is for you, Dragon Boy. No. Anyways,
Thank you,
I'm
Mr.
taking
Farmer.
some time off. I'll just get back to work next week since nature heals way too quickly around here.
Yeah, fair.
That's a job well done, boys.
Gotcha. Yay! Woo! Oh, hey, Top.
You freaking did what?
I know, it was very stupid of me. But the giant eldritch made horror beyond my comprehension fixed all of it.
I'm really sorry about that, Hydro.
Eh. I got it. Sorry.
Anyways, why would you freaking do that, bro?
Because our nature is freaking fracking awesome. Farmer Manuel gave me a wad of cash for a job well freaking fracking done.
Man, that pun sucked.
And got myself Coleus right here. What's up, Doc?
Top, not
You
Top.
caught the freaking saboteur. Hold on. Wasn't he extremely hostile with killing intent and holding a grudge to all forms of human life?
Eh.
Yeah, but he got a good night's worth of sleep in the capsule while we walked back home.
Yeah, it was just
Yeah.
pretty sleepy.
Oh,
Eh,
That's
you'd be
nice.
surprised.
but how did that work?
Simple, my fine friend.
Just doubt like a light. Morning, Coleus. Got caught.
I'm not done yet, wanker. Not by a long.
Ooh, bed.
Bed.
Then only good night to sleep, I guess.
Huh.
Hey, you'd be surprised.
Bem, olha. Bom trabalho.
Ah, poison!
What is that? Eh. there was something else going on. There we go. Guess we'll see episode 2 later. What do you guys think? If you're a part of that, then let me know. Till next time. I guess that Torga thing was the... You know what I mean. Let me know what you guys think. Till next time. See ya.